The level of hardship and hunger witnessed in Nigeria in recent times has never been imagined. Though there is high inflation and food insecurity all over the world, the case in Nigeria is particular, calls for serious concern and attention. Meanwhile, since hardship, hunger and poverty continue to be a major social determinant of health, it is a known reality that they would have a significant impact on mental health in Nigeria. KAFTAN TV correspondent Faith Oladimeji brings us more on this report.
Not having food or means of transportation occasioned by incessant hike and scarcity in petroleum products, among other things in Nigeria, are great stressors which can cause depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder.
Well, mental health is really important. The state of an individual's health the mental health is really important, and it ensures productivity in every aspect of one's life.
Mental health is very important to individual well-being because mental health deals with our what? I would say our psychological aspect of our life, because our mental health is very crucial in the well-being of an individual. And if anything should happen to our mental health, every aspect of our life will be surely down.
Well, mental health is very important to an individual well-being, because if we have a problem mentally, then that is a very big issue, because it's going to be affect us in every aspect of our life if we have any mental problem.
Mental health is very important because when we feed well, it actually boosts our immune systems and the way we reason. So mental health is paramount to be good in mental health.
Like, it's been a tough situation for people, like for some people to get to even try to also and get some things in their own hand to eat or to survive has been hard for people.
There is a frightening trend that has evolved in Nigeria due to the hardship in the country, as a lot of people see food and medical care as almost impossible in a country so vastly blessed in both human and natural resources.
Everybody knows that the situation right now is pathetic, and thinking about that alone is enough to affect one's mental health. So it has contributed to it.
I'm a student now. My parents do give me at least maybe like 10,000 naira per month before, but due to the hardship of the country, it's reduced to almost like 3,000 naira. And I'm a student. Do you know how sometimes I'll have to take maybe gari to class and all those stuffs? So it has really affected me a lot. But we go survive, sha.
It's 100% sure that it has affected, because when we are not feeding well, even to go to work is not very easy. So it's kind of hardship that needs to be solved.
It has bring a high cost of living. Like now, something that we are buying for 15 and now we are buying it for 1,000. Everything is increasing, like as if we have not been in this country before.
Depression is a socio-economic disease, and it is on record that patients with clinical depression experience mood disorder when they suffer lack and want.
I think they should ensure that those policies, the good policies, are effectively implemented so that poverty and hunger could be alleviated. So this, I believe, will ensure proper or effective mental health status.
To me, I don't think we should not wait for the government. We ourselves, we should do what we can do, and government should provide more empowerment for we the youth, because most of us now we are not waiting for this white collar job. They should just give us a lot of maybe place to farm and a lot of stuff, and we should settle with the youth. So that's for my own aspect.
They should reduce the price of things. They should reduce the price of improve electricity, improve school facilities, improve hospitals, provide for the needs of reduce poverty rate, provide employment.
One of the best ways is that they should increase the salary of those that they have employed. We know that they cannot employ every one of us, but those that are working and those that are about to retire, they should pay them well. So that can actually increase the economic growth of Nigeria also.
Firstly, the cost of fuel and subsidy, and also get job for youth, and try to make their increase government worker payments, and make a good education for youth. Like, because some youth now, they don't want to go to school again.
According to research, people living below the poverty line are more likely to have medical problems. Testimonies from suicide survivors attest to the fact that they felt forsaken, unaided, and abandoned.
All I can say is be patient and don't put so much of pressure on yourself. It's going to be okay. I hope so.
With Nigeria, Students' Independence Day, we should pray for our country and we should hope for the best. And let us be positive. God bless Nigeria. God bless Ondo State.
Keep your hope in God. All things will be well.
First advice is that we should pray, because even the Bible says we should pray for our leader. And the second thing is that the youth should have what they are doing, because when opportunity will come, so that they will be able to maximize the opportunity into what they have learned and their skills.
My advice for Nigeria is that, for me, I will be at the side of youth because I'm a youth. What I can say that Nigeria should help us with now, should get youth job and try to support people that have talent for this country, because many of the youth now travel to outside because some have talent and they can't establish the talent in this Nigeria because they know the government will not support them. So my own is that they should support the youth in anything they are doing. Like empowerment, development.
Faith Oladimeji, reporting for KAFTAN TV News.